Hello and welcome to a video on the installation of the Anaconda package onto a Windows operating system. The video is specifically for students in engr1330 that wish to use Anaconda instead of CoCalc. There's a lot of advantages to using Anaconda, so we are encouraging it as best as possible without twisting your arm. So on the screen right now is a Windows splash screen or prior to a login to Windows. And for the purposes of disclosure, this is running on a virtual machine on a Macintosh laptop. And through the miracle of video editing, I'm going to make certain things seem to take very little time. Basically, when I'm downloading materials, I'm going to pause the recording and then I'll resume it when the material has arrived. So first, let's go ahead and log in. And I think on mine, if that doesn't work, there we go. So I have created a very minimal Windows operating system. So right now I'm clearing what's ever in the recycle bin. I probably should have looked, but that's life. And I imagine a Windows machine running in native hardware is just as slow because it's currently going out trying to find money that it didn't earn. First, what I will do once we are here, so I'll go ahead and I'm going to open a terminal window. So I think it's called Shell. PowerShell. I want an ordinary shell. CMD. I have a command prompt, and we'll do a directory listing. So I'm in my root directory, and it has certain things. It does appear to have some kind of Python installed on it, so it's not giving me an error. So oh, now it's gone into the you haven't spent money this week mode. Python 3.8, which we're going to want, but let's go ahead and close that. And okay, it does not have the idle graphic environment. I don't think this has Anaconda or Python 3.8 on it. We can verify that by going to the control panel and I believe apps, and let's scroll through the list. It has Python 2.7, so it does not appear to have Anaconda installed. So this is perfect. This is what I wanted to do. So what I'm doing on the video, we're going to do this live. The thing I'm not going to do live in the workshop is the actual acquisition and downloading of the Anaconda installer. Because on my home network, it's going to take over an hour to download. That would be really stupid to do it during an actual live meeting. So let's see if I'm on Edge. I am, or Bing, or Ding Dong, or whatever the heck it's called. So I will search for Anaconda, and there's a .com and a .org. And we're going to want, certainly don't want that, Anaconda, Montana. see what anaconda.com gives us. Data science, okay, this is what we want. And the product I want is individual edition. So click on the doodle, and this should recognize that my current computer, oh, I have to get cookied. Ooh, that hurt. Go to download, and I am going to download a 64-bit graphical installer for Windows. So it's half of a gigabyte. At my home network, we're looking on a good day 46 minutes, on a bad day a couple hours. So let me go ahead and download the installer. And it says, what do you want to do with the blah 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 blah? I want to save it. And oh, 8 minutes to download? I do not believe that. So with the miracle of video editing, I am going to pause the video so we don't have to watch it for 8 minutes, and I'll resume it when the download arrives. Okay, through the miracle of video editing, we have now successfully downloaded the installer. I'm going to select Open Folder, and let's see where it is. It's in Local Disk, C Drive, User Theodore Downloads. And so I'm going to end this video for now. That would be the step that you would take, and we will pick up live in the workshop this afternoon where we'll actually run that installer.